If you need me, let me know.
So this is going to be Brake Buster first tryout part 2 in the IK foam 1.5. 5 ounces of Brake Buster to 30 ounces of water. So the wheel cleaner has been on for about a minute. You can see runoff from the tire and also the wheel on the ground here. You can see the wheel is dirty. You can see some dirt here and this runoff here and on the inside of the spoke. So we'll go ahead and agitate. So you can see all the dirt here underneath the tire. It did seem that the application via the 1.5 foamer tends to run off, and it doesn't make as many suds when using the brush as it did when using just a spray bottle, because it stays a little bit more gel-like on the spokes. So we'll go ahead and rinse. Okay, so again, after using the brush and everything, wheels are clean. So, probably use about 2 to 3 ounces using the foamer, and then probably about the same amount just spraying it on the wheel, but you're using 2 to 3 ounces of a diluted solution that still provides you with the same result. So I would say if you can, use it in a foamer. It'd probably be a little bit more cost effective and less dollars per use. But the product is only about $12, and it comes with a black microfiber towel from the rag company on Amazon. So I will leave the links to the product in the description below. So for the second installment of the first use of Brake Buster. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.